back to my channel, and today I'm going to create a look using the JACLYN Hill palette by Morphe called Armed and Gorgeous, this beautiful palette, and I'll give you a quick glimpse of the colors. These are the beautiful colors in this palette. I'm going to use just this palette for this look, and I'm going to focus mostly on that beautiful yellow and the orange and a little bit of the brown colors. I may also go into that green, I'm not for sure yet. So first I'm going to conceal my eyes, and then we're going to jump right into the look. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and jump into this look. I want to say yes, I know I probably look crazy, but being that I have a darker skin tone and I'm using a little bit lighter colors, I want to make sure I have a good, clean, lighter base to start my color on so that it pops more. So we're going to go ahead and go in with the color Access. It was that beautiful mustardy orange color, and we're going to start to color that into the crease. And I'm really going to pack that on because I actually played with this palette, and it doesn't, like, if you just blend it, kind of disappears on my skin tone. So I'm going to really pack this color on first and then start blending out. Now we're going to go in with that lighter orange agent, and we're going to start packing that in it as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a clean blending brush. I'm just going to start blending this out some. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the color Smooth Criminal, and that was that lighter brown color in this palette, and I'm going to start packing that a little bit lower, more on my crease to really start giving it that depth before I go ahead and cut the actual crease. Then now that I got that brown color where I want it, I'm going to jump back into that yellow color called Access and just blend more of that yellow back into the look. I'm going to jump into that darker brown called Proud, and I'm just going to pack that in the crease just to give it a little bit more depth. Okay, now that I achieved the look I wanted, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my crease. Alright, so now that I have my cut crease, I'm going to jump into the color Guilt Trip. It's a very beautiful orange glittery type of color. I'm going to pack that on this concealer. So yes, I'm going to spray the brush with this Mario Badescu spray. I'm going to actually go back in with that dark brown called Proud and clean up around the crease. I'm then going to take that same blending brush that I use the color Access and Secure, that yellow and the orange color. I'm just going to mix them together and just clean around the actual brown color so everything is blended together and there's no like choppiness or where you can actually see where each color is. I want to blend them all together. I'm going to put some mascara on because a lot of that glitter color got on my eyelashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some mascara on. Alright, so we're going to jump into face, my Becca foundation, and I'm going to go ahead and start on my face. Alright, I'm going to jump into this and go over that cream contour because it didn't do much of nothing. So I'm going to stay with what I know, and I'm going to do these two colors. Alright, I'm going to spray my face with this Mario Badescu spray. And I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera and my lashes, and I will be back. Alright, eyeliner, eyelashes. Now I'm going to take that yellow color and smudge that on my lower lash line. Alright, y'all, so it is highlighting time. So, as you should know by now, these are my favorite highlights. And alright, y'all, so it's time to do my lips, and then we're going to wrap this look up. Alrighty, y'all, so this is the finished look. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I hope you are as well. Please like and subscribe, comment down below, and yes, thank you all for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.